Hello crypto enthusiasts and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn exactly how to recover your Monica.ng crypto trading account. This is an account that will help you convert your crypto to Naira. And to recover this very account, the first thing you have to do is to head over to your Play Store. Once you head over to Play Store, you want to come over to the search bar right here and you click on the search right here and type in the keyword Monica.ng. Okay, and this would bring you to this very page. It might lead you directly to the Monica.ng app, but if you happen to see it like this, you just want to click on this very one right here that says Monica, crypto bills and more. Please pay attention to the logo. Okay, next you have to do is to update it or install the app if you don't have it, or if you're doing this for the first time. Once you're done installing the app, you want to go ahead and click on open right here. Now if you click on this open button, this should redirect you to the Monica.ng app. Okay, so this is where the login process begins. Let's assume you're doing this for the first time. Simply make sure you read about the features of Monica before you click the get started button. So let's click get started right now, and then we'll read the next and click get started, and then of course click get started again to arrive at this very page. If you're creating a new account, you go ahead and click on new to Monica and sign up. But if you have an already existing account, make sure you click the white or pale button that says existing user login. Then go ahead and click allow so that you get to receive notifications about payments you receive on the Monica app. Next, you slide this away or just click the arrow at the top left hand corner of your screen to arrive at this very page. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address, which is the email you used for your Monica account registration. As you can see, the page clearly states welcome back, meaning you have to fix in the details you used to register for this very Monica account. So the only thing that you'll be needing right here is your email address. Simply enter your email address right there and try your password once more. If you have tried your password a couple of times but you still can't log into your account, but you're very sure of the email you used for the registration, all you have to do is to click on reset, which is close to the forget password question. After you do this, you'll be mandated to enter your email address, which you used for the creation of your Monica account. This ensures you'll be able to verify your account. Once you do this, you go ahead and click on continue and a code will be sent to your email. Now head over to your email and grab that very code. Once you grab that very code, which is the OTP code sent to the email address you fixed in right there, you come back to the Monica app and fix in that very code and then go ahead and click on verify. Now after this, you'll be given the opportunity to create a new password. First, you type in the password and then you go ahead and confirm the password. After typing the password and you're sure that you have fully confirmed the password, you go ahead and click on continue, and this will bring you to this very page which says your password was changed successfully. Now you enter your email address which you used for the sign up and enter your new password and then go ahead and log in. Now if you're doing this from a new device, you would have to verify your email address again. Okay, so you have to head over to your email address right now and verify this very device. Note that Monica is device selective, so once you change a new device, they'll be able to track this and a message will be sent to your email address. So head over to your email address and grab that very code, fix it in right here and click on the green verify button, and automatically you'll be logged into your Monica.ng account. As you can see right here, I am back to my Monica.ng account and all the details of my transaction is very visible. So you can now go ahead and click on deposit, click the I understand button and start converting your Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Tron, Solana, USDT and even USD coin to Naira instantly. And the beauty of it, unlike other crypto platforms, you don't even need to perform your KYC right here before you be able to trade on this very platform. I'll leave the link to a tutorial on how to sell your coins on Monica. And in the coming days, I'll be creating more videos on how to trade on this very platform. If you've watched till the very end of this video, you are truly appreciated. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you learned something valuable. I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful content like this. Until then, stay safe and stay sharp. Peace.